All right, you got some spare time on your hands? You can finish up this 40 Ford hot rod. A lot of work's been done already. A lot of parts available for this car. It's got a 37 teardrop headlight upgrade, LS motor, 480 horsepower motor. It's already got aluminum radiator, electric fan, custom air cleaner set up there. New grille. Body is pretty much ready for paint. Little final prep and that's it. It's got new running boards. I've got a lot of parts for this car. The bumpers are tucked in, new chrome bumpers. Got a fuel cell right there. It's taped off the hole, that's where the sending unit and all that goes, but solid, no rust, no nothing. Everything's been done as far as the floors, all the sheet metal. It's got a Corvette independent front rear suspension, C4, 700R Ford transmission with a lockup converter, capable of handling 650 horsepower. I have all the gauge components and dash components there. It's got an Ididit tilt column, early Ford wheel. Power windows are already getting mocked up. We have power window motors, new glass throughout, all new rubber trim for the whole car. Definitely a project, but if you know what you're doing, you can finish it. Here's all the goodies. There's the other bumper. Spare parts, hood hinges, dash pieces, headlights, exhaust tips, engine coils, power window regulators. There's a lockup converter for the trans, LS wiring kit, new underdash vintage air conditioning, custom gauges. There's the glove box door. We also have the grill for the stereo. Some molding, side molding kit right there. Drive shaft. Wilwood brakes, 6 piston. I think we only have 2 calipers, but there's 4 rotors in there. Brand new QA1 coilovers. It all adds up. This has some custom stamped sheet metal that they started making for the, I think it's the firewall, the trunk floor, interior components. That's new glass, all new weather stripping. Lots of work done. Pretty neat car. They just got it on some rollers there so it can be pushed around. Those are like some trailer wheels, but you can put some bigs and littles on it. Put some meats under the back, a little smaller ones in the front, bring it down. Pretty cool vehicle. Be nice if you finish this one up.